All right, so here are the kids. He's ready to go. She will be ready once I put her shoelaces in her sneakers. She decided to wear a dress today. Mama, you look pretty. You put lotion on?
Yeah.
Everything?
No.
Legs?
I do my arms yet.
Well, you need to do your arms too, because we don't do ashy. And if you want them to be the same size, you make them the same size before you start. And then you see my finger right here? One side through. Other side through. So now you know they're going to be the same size. Bye.
I was on. What?
I just want to see something.
Do you want to suspicious?
You guys going to school?
Maybe Mama.
This gum is so good, so sour. I don't know why. I expected it not to be one. It's Trident Vibes Sour Patch Kids. I just dropped the kids off at school, and I am about to go back to the house, make myself some breakfast, and you know, get my day started. I have some forms that I need to fill out for Drex's classroom. I need to go to the gym because last week I didn't go. I worked out at home. I also have some time that I need to put in that I worked. All right, you guys, so my babies are home. Hi, handsome. Hi, pretty girl.
Hello.
Come on, hello.
I might try to Honda back here.
I'm about to say it's not that bad.
Not yet.
Hopefully y'all can hear me, but we just went fishing and whew, we got the biggest fish we ever caught, at least for that kind. I didn't really get a good look at them, but I want to say they were bass. I know it wasn't a crappie because they didn't have like that iridescent type of color look to them, but I'm trying to learn my fish, y'all. But look at that. Such a manly man. He been out there baiting my hook and everything, because I am not touching them worms. I told him next time I'll put a glove or something in the car with us so that he can look at him coming.
You gonna love it right here.
Huh?
You gonna love it right here.
Why you say that?
You'll see when you get out.
Okay. Okay. Oh, I heard that. He said I'm gonna love it right there. I'll see you when I get out and bring the camera with me. So I think that's a hint. Say, get your ass out the car and come out here and fish. But fishing is so fun, but it is hot. I cannot wait until, I can't even say September because I'm in South Carolina. It be hot then too. I'm gonna say October. I can't wait until like the end of October, beginning of November. It's gonna be amazing.
Now, look at how hard he is. Now he's all soft.
He done got the scales off the fish, y'all. He cut the fin that was at the top off of him. He's still trying to breathe. R.I.P. to the boy. Gotta sit there and listen to his friend get chopped up. Hey, you really doing it?
I cut it kind of wrong. I ain't did this thing so long. I probably cut some of the meat off, but it'll be alright. And I usually don't do this in the sink either. Oh, it's that hook keeping it in.
Oh yeah, I forgot mine had swallowed the hook. Get here closer. I don't want to see it. Alright, y'all, we at Five Below. I'm getting me a kettlebell, cause y'all know I'll be working out. So I can do my little. And Drake's cord for his Xbox controller. These for the kids sandwiches. 3 reusable bags. Finally back home. You know, I didn't even show y'all my outfit of the day today. I got on a red tank top with some jeans, like capris, with some Jordans and this black purse that babe had got me like almost 3 years ago. With the warmer, I had to get some medicine because baby girl is sick. I've been getting into the gym and working out heavy, so I purchased a medicine ball. This is an 8-pound medicine ball, so this one is going to give my arms a really good workout. I also got us some Arby's because we hadn't eaten since I bought breakfast this morning. I went to Five Below. This cord for Drex, Black Panther, he needed it for his Xbox remote. Found these 3 reusable sandwich bags. And then the other thing is I got this 8-pound kettlebell as well. Let me change it to my bathing suit so that I can go outside and tend to my babies. I do actually have to work out tonight, so I'm gonna do that probably before I shower. But yeah, good morning everyone, even though it's 11:30 and it is about to be noon. We are out and about. We just put all the blankets and towels in the wash machine at the laundromat. This them dresses is too big to be washing at home. We just left Five Below because I had to exchange some of the leggings that I purchased yesterday because they were too small. Now we are on our way to Walmart because I have to exchange the leggings that I got from there as well.
Hey, go take my picture by that C8 over there.
I would never.
We've been down on it like your mind, like.
I'll take the picture and then later on when you post it, I'll be like, it ain't his.
Ladies and gentlemen, we back at it again. Walmart. And she's doing what she does best. Shop. Look at her. Huh? Neutral. Like a black or that gray right there.
What it look like?
This is normal. We came in here to exchange. And look what we leaving with y'all. Look at that. Cookies, snacks.
We gonna try this.
And now we're getting some workout equipment.
It was a little loose.
Workout fit. That's the one you need right there.
Yep, I can feel it.
I can see it.
Still goes.
That's good though.
Part is so small.
That's good though. They ain't gonna stop the show, cause look where it going. Bing.
Don't say it.
Bing. Bam.
Too late.
Two of them. Time to go. Okay. I said time to go. She's still over here. I like that color though. Yeah, I like that color though. Look at that, got me a green. Tell me they gonna blame me for still being over here now.
Yeah, I've been in here buying stuff that I'm not supposed to be buying, but it's okay because I've been back at working out and I'm getting it right. I was about to get them shirts, but I just got like 4 of them from Five Below, remember? So, now that looks so nasty. Strawberry chocolate Kit Kat. They be doing anything. And that mint chocolate chip one.